In Python, the arithmetic operators are the operators that do math with numbers. Let's start off with addition. Print 1 plus 3. If we run the code, you'll see 1 plus 3 is 4. Nothing too fancy about this. Next, subtraction. Print 4 minus 3. If we run the code, you'll see 4 minus 3 is 1. Nothing too fancy about subtraction either. Next, multiplication. Print 2 times 3. If we run the code, you'll see 2 times 3 is 6. Still nothing fancy. Now we'll get into the slightly fancy, the remainder or modulo operator represented by the percent sign. We can do print 3 modulo 2. Based on what you know about division, if you do 3 divided by 2, the remainder you get is 1. So we should expect the answer to be 1. If we run the code, you'll see our expectation is right. Next, Python actually has a built-in exponentiation operator represented by the multiplication operator twice. If we do print 2 times 3, this does 2 to the third power. If we run this code, you'll see 2 to the third power is 8. Last, the first flavor of division. If we do print 1 divided by 2, and run the code, you'll see 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. But I said first flavor. There's a second flavor? That's right, it's something called integer division that I've already done a video on that I'll link to down below. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.